up with 2 other friends na na-meet namin lang sa DIY page. And then, may-meet lang namin sila later. We're supposed to go to 3 islands. We're going to Naked Island, Guyam, and the Daku Island. And off we go! Ang daming You have to go naked? No. So we're now leaving Naked Island. Papunta na kami sa Daku Island.
We've got the open road, nothing but blue skies. Here's to the summer days and to the starry nights. We took the long way, it was the scenic route. You told me all the things that you could never live without. Oh please, won't you leave me to my own thoughts? Oh no, won't you show me where these paths cross? Oh, take all the time that you could ever need. Oh, wait in the space where you first left me. Years from now, we'll see.
Talong, sibuyas, kamatis. Yung isalada tawag dito.
So we are here at Guyam Island. Sarap mag-swim. Ang entrance fee is 30 pesos. So dito lang kami. It's sad to say that I got my period. So, yun.
Kahit sino man kayo, walang makakapigil sa amin.
And we got some drone shots.
Well, you win, it's your show now. So what's it gonna be? 'Cause people will tune in. How many train wrecks do we need to see before we lose touch? Oh, and we thought this was low. Well, it's bad, getting worse. So where'd all the good people go? I've been changing channels, I don't see them on the TV show. Where'd all the good people go? We got heaps and heaps of what we see. They got this and that with a rattle attack test and 1, 2.
Dilim na tayo kita. Akala mo madilim, pero yun na pala talaga yung yun na pala yung kulay.
Took the morning ride, gotta leave this all behind. For with you is where I want to be. Maybe it's fate that we
So we are here in Cloud9 and the famous spot boardwalk here in Siargao. The sunset, so tinignan lang namin. It is hailed as one of the best sunset spots in Siargao. Daw. Mamulan mo daw. Aming bagong friend. Nanginginig siya.
Oh, ano? Nagulat kayo, ano? Akala nyo, ha? Ano, walang tao, no?